Check it out. Amazing, huh?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, I'm going to be making some Katsu curry. So without further ado, let's get started, get things going rather. But before we actually do move on to the next stage, I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MosToosifar. Also follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well. And let's enjoy the show. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have our chicken breast. All I'm going to do is take off all of this bit of fat and just cut it in half as well. So you just want to start off by doing that. Now, what you want to try and do is slice it in half. I've never done this before, my first time. I'm going to give it a go. Just watch out for your fingers. Don't rip apart. Well, it never went according to plan, but there you go. That came out well. That's good. Moving over. Before I begin this multitasking difficulty, let me quickly break it down for you. We've got plain flour, salt and pepper, breadcrumbs, egg. Okay? I've just turned on the heat on this and I'm about to pour some oil into the pan. Not too much, just to cover the base a little bit. That's it. Right? I've turned it on already. Hold this in our hand. And I'm going to take the good bits first, simply because as you can see I don't have enough breadcrumbs. I thought I had some, but I was wrong. Here's what you want to do. Actually, first let's give that a little mix up so the salt and pepper and everything gets mixed in well. Okay. What you want to do is take your chicken, press it down nicely so it all gets covered in flour. Same thing on the other side. Cover it up. If you think it still needs a bit more, you will make a mess, but don't you worry, someone else will clean it if you're lucky. And then give it a little shaky. Drop it into the egg yolk. Grab it, flip it over. The egg yolk gives it that sticky, gluey, like sense or whatever. So then it's ready to be dipped into there. Now this isn't going to be that much, so yeah, I'm just going to do what I can with what I got. Right? Dip that in there and repeat. Okay, so what I've also got is some rice here. Washed it a few times. All I'm going to do is add a pinch of salt, and then add some oil. Let that be. See you later. So what you want to tend to do is give it a little move about. Look at that. See how nice that looks? Flip it over. I think in like within 10 minutes this should be done and it should be ready. We just gotta wait for our rice. Let this go on. I'm gonna start making the curry sauce as well, which is very, very simple, believe it or not. So yeah, let's get started on that. As for making the curry sauce, what you want is get very mild curry powder, pour it in, yeah. We're not gonna make a lot, I didn't have any smaller pan, that's why I had to use that. Get that. Get a bit of oil, just a little bit, okay? You want to add chicken stock cubes as well. Get in there. Oh, that's splashed everywhere. Nice. Alright. Wipe that down. And of course add some water. Now we're going to add quite a bit so it boils away, and when it's finished it'll be like a nice thick, juicy, or like a thick sauce. We may add some water in after, it doesn't matter. Keep an eye on it, check it out. We're nearly there with the chicken. Waiting for the rice, that'll be ready in like 5 minutes. Right, just flip them over. Now will you look at that? That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Oh my god, oh my days. Right, get back on the heat, will ya? Couple of more minutes, taking us off the heat, done deal. Alright, as you can see, we've got our stock curry going on, curry sauce, we've got the rice. I've turned this off. All I'm going to do is put it on this plate with some paper towels to absorb some of the excessive oil, right? Just like so. Look at that, guys. I'll bring it up this way. Check it out. Amazing, huh? Alright. Get rid of that as well. That's all done. All I'm going to do is add a bit of flour to our curry sauce, okay, just to give it that thickness. As you can see, our rice is done, so I'm going to switch that off. This is also done. It's still runny-ish. The flour that I put in there, like, you can still see little bits. It did dissolve, but it didn't make it like a bit thicker, basically. I didn't want it thicker. This is still too runny, too watery. But anyway, we'll do with what we got. Never mind. All I need to do is get this, chop up a little bit. So we need to get this off onto here. Move this over as everywhere else is hot. Okay. What I'm going to do is just hold it. Right. Just give it slices. Just like so. There you are. That's done. That's ready. I'm going to move this over for now. Grab your bowl. Put a bit of rice, okay, on the side. Just like so. Okay. A little bit more. Lovely. And now what you want to do is grab your chicken as a whole, place it down on there just like so. Okay, let's get a taste of that. That's yummy, that is. Now, get yourself one of these, whatever you call it. Tilt it, give it a little stir. Again, this is too liquidy, too watery, but anywho, this is gonna go on top. Okay, a little bit more. Beautiful. Now, time for the salad. Just put some on the side to make it look pretty and colourful. Bit there, a couple of those red ones. There you have it. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is your Katsu curry. Bon appetit, enjoy. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. See you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come